Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel. Welcome back to my studio, and today I'm very happy to have you here. Join me in unboxing this new purchase from Lazada. So I went a bit crazy over the weekend. Lazada was having an annual sale, and I think it was their birthday sale, and I actually ordered this one on a Friday night past midnight, so technically it was Saturday morning, and today is Monday. I received the package at my doorstep. I think this is crazy super fast delivery service from Lazada as well as Ninja Van, the delivery partner here. So I think these guys are really doing a great job. Thank you very much. Oh, this is pretty good packaging from the seller. They've got this air balloon here, nestled beside the Seiko retail box. Alright, so this is a Seiko watch I'm going to unbox. Alright, let's see what we've got here. So it's the retail box, and here it is. I'm going to flip open this one, and ta-da! Alright, this one here, I tell you, it is a crazy purchase, and I call this one the Gangster Watch. Alright, as you can see, it is full gold. Alright, of course it's gold plated. Alright, it's not real gold. If it's real gold, I wouldn't be able to afford this watch. It is, an upgrade to my Uncle Seiko watch unboxed a few weeks ago. This one here goes all out. It is crazy. Alright, it is done in all full gold plated finish. Alright, so it is exactly the same watch in terms of specs, but the main difference would be it is all gold. It's got gold case, gold bracelet, gold dial, everything is gold. Alright, reference number for the watch is SGGA62P1, and again it's got sapphire crystal as well as 100 meters water resistance. So with all the packaging out of the way, I've zoomed in the camera just a bit to let you take a closer look at my latest crazy watch purchase. And I tell you, this is really not the usual type of watch that I like, but I just couldn't resist because I am liking this look here. Okay, as I grow older, as I get older, I really like this old man kind of look. And I'm just quite impressed by what this little Seiko has to offer. Alright, so let's do a quick check on the handset, and as you can see, everything lines up really well, lines up perfectly. So first looks, I think this one is just crazy. I think it's so old school looking that even C3PO doesn't want to wear this watch. It's just way too uncleish. Alright, so it's got that really dressy look to it. Even the bracelet here has got a thin polished line running around the middle link, and actually I really like the date wheel here. Alright, the date wheel is not white. Okay, I'm very impressed. It is actually in gold. Alright, the day and date discs, they're in gold. Alright, wow. So it's got a really low quality and very simple class system. So I'm just going to give you a very quick wrist shot, right? And here is the watch, 37 millimeters on my wrist. My wrist size is 17 centimeters, and I would say that's a small wrist. And you can see that it fits really well. Thickness of the watch is only 8.4 millimeters. I measured off the black dial version, so I think this one fits me very well. So for those of you new viewers out there, if you're wondering what I'm talking about when I was talking about this Uncle Seiko watch, it is actually the uncleish look kind of a Seiko Quartz watch, and here it is. This is the one that got me started on these cheap Quartz watches, and I'm just having great time, having fun collecting all these cheap Quartz watches. So you can see they're exactly the same in terms of specs, design, everything. They're from the same series, and the only difference being one is full gold C3PO look, and this one here is the plain black dial look. So both very easy to wear watches, very wearable, very small, very slim, very affordable. Alright, so I hope to be able to do a full review on these watches. Stay tuned for the detailed review videos. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.